Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Count Dooku from the Clone Wars. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2 speed, and then after this, I'll be right back to show you how to draw this with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this, and here's my sketch underneath, and we'll simplify it with a Sharpie and we'll go through it line by line. So this is a very cool looking character. We're gonna start out with his eyes. We're gonna draw in the eyebrow first. So it's just basically two mean brows going up. Then from here, just kind of turn it into like a little rectangle. Alright, and then from there now we can draw in his eyes underneath. So right underneath the brow right here, I'm just gonna draw one line across. So just start in the center here and just go out. And then just kind of come in. It's got very long line eyes. So just draw a little rectangle right underneath. And then I'm just gonna shade in a little bit for the eyeball right here. Okay, so just two little dots inside. Alright, and then from here, let's draw in his nose, and it's kind of long and it's a little bit big. So just come out right in the corner of the eye, just come down. Make two little lines like this, and then in the middle, just come in. Okay, and then on the top here, just kind of curve in. Okay, so now let's finish up the shape of his face right here. We'll come out to the side right here. Just draw like a little bracket. So just start around the eyebrow area, just come in. And then from here, just come back up here, straight down. It's got a really long face, so it's a little bit tricky. Okay, so just come down, and then now we can come back up into the nose. So this is gonna be his awesome looking mustache. So we're gonna come back up into the nose. And then now let's go ahead and finish up the bottom, and then we'll work on the top. So we're gonna extend this line. Again, really big mustache. Now we'll come back in. This is gonna be his beard. So this is like a diamond shape right here. Okay, and then in the middle of this diamond shape, just draw like almost like a little sad face. And it looks really weird right now, right? Okay, and then we got come just another curve inside right here. And then from this corner here, just slant down, so that's gonna be the bottom of the mustache. Okay, and then let's just go ahead and add in some lines so that doesn't look so weird. And then even for the beard on the bottom, just add some lines like this. Okay, that looks a little bit better. Okay, and then to finish off the beard, right on the corner here, just connect to this corner. Okay, so now let's go ahead and finish up the top. So for the top here, I'm just gonna go up. And then to finish up the hair, this little angle on top. And then right here, right where the turn is, gotta draw one line across and then just come into the eyebrow area. And to make it look consistent, like the hair on the top right here, same as the beard, you can add in a few lines. Okay, and then lastly for his ear, right on the corner right here from the eye, just go out, just draw a little hook, just right behind the beard. Alright, so very strange looking head, but very cool looking. Might be a little bit tricky to draw. Alright, so let's move on to the body. Let's see, he's gonna be wearing his cape. So let's start out on the shoulder right here. So right around here, I'm just gonna flare out. Just come down, so nice and wide. So in here, I'm gonna draw two lines. And then we'll connect this. So this is gonna be his cape. And then in here, we'll add in two circles. Okay, and then let's add in his body, and then we'll draw in his arm. So just come down right around here. This is gonna be his armpit right here. Then we'll pinch it in. Close that off. And let's go ahead and draw in his belt. He's got a really big belt. So we'll extend it. This will be a really big rectangle, so that one's easy. And then continuing down here, we'll flare out and then close it off. Okay, and then let's add in some details right here to his suit right here. One angle, and then come straight down, all the way down here behind the belt, and then this one's gonna go out. Okay, so it's a little zigzag. And then for the belt here, one curve going this way, and then same thing on this side. And then I'll just add 2 bars in here. So just try to space it out evenly and just come in with 2 bars. Okay, so that's gonna be it for the torso area. So now let's draw in his arm. So again, here's his armpit. We can actually draw 2 little lines there for the folds. Okay, let's start on this side. So here's the armpit. Just come down. This is gonna be his elbow. And we'll continue going down straight to finish up his arm. So this one's gonna be holding his lightsaber. Okay, so let's draw on the other side first, and then we'll draw in the hand with the lightsaber. So center here, come down, again same thing. So here's the elbow. And then continuing down, this one is almost straight down, just like bend to it. Close it off. And then for this fist, it's easy. Little hook for the thumb. Back of the fist, just come down. And then right here, dip down and hook it back up behind the thumb. Okay, and then on this side, we're gonna be drawing the hand with the lightsaber. So it's a little bit different. Just come down. A little turn, that's gonna be the thumb. So just hook it back up, and then from this point right here, just come out and draw like a little rectangle. Okay, so that's gonna be his fingers folded. So we'll add in a couple of lines inside. Okay, so it's an easy way of drawing kind of like a grip for the hand. And then now for the lightsaber, from here, I'm just gonna drawing a little tube. And then it's gonna come out on this side, so we're continuing the line here. And it's gonna bend down and just close it off. And then whatever space you have here, just draw a little line. That's gonna finish up the hand. Alright, so we're drawing the lightsaber later. Let's draw in his legs first. Okay, and his legs is very skinny on the bottom here. Okay, so here's the center. Just come over, make a little point. And then we're gonna start on this side. And then go back to the point here. Just come down. And then it's come back in. So nice and sharp. So again, here's the center. Come over, make a little point. Start on this side again. Come down. So same thing here. And he's got those really skinny lower legs right here. So I'm just gonna draw in a big tube, long tube, and then just kind of taper it in on the bottom right here. Okay, and then for finish up the boot, just come down, and then on this side, just go out. Just kind of dip it down and then close it off with a flat line. It's got a very small foot here. So come down. This one's gonna go out. Just kind of dip it down. Close it off with a flat line. Okay, so that's pretty much it for the body, and now for the lightsaber, I'm just gonna continue this line here, this direction, and just go all the way down. Now just round it out. Okay, and then for his cape, so it's gonna start right around here. We can start on the elbow right here. It's gonna come down. I'm gonna curve it out. So I'm just gonna give it some flow. So right underneath the hand, flow out. And then we're gonna come all the way across. And as we're doing it, just give it a little bit of a waviness to it. And that is it for this Count Dooku. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please check out my other videos, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.